Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Monday, the 15th of December. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com, and it's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, now, for a week, we've been watching, and slightly more, we've been watching these bear flags form on the cryptos, on crypto and on Bitcoin. We've got this nice looking rising wedge. Now this doesn't necessarily need to have broken down here. It could be that we're forming a larger flag, maybe making a higher high here. But at the moment, the current rising wedge that we've got as a bear flag here has broken down. And we've got a little level top here, which I'd mentioned, and that's broken down too. And that's got a target basically at a retest of the late November low at 80.6k. So the question is it going to follow through? It's only the very, very lightest of a break here so far, but you can see that was a slightly lower low. We'll see whether this follows through. Well, I am wondering whether we might see equities go down a bit more this week after a rally here. And what we've been waiting for really, when you've got two fairly correlated items, like in this case indices and crypto, then you have a situation where a strong trend on one may be interrupted by the other, i.e. this time we've got a stronger downtrend on crypto, which has been interrupted by a significant uptrend on indices, and crypto has just been trading sideways, and generally speaking that would be because it is waiting for weakness on equities to complete this move, and it may be that we're going to see that this week. I'm a bit skeptical about equities going down much during the week before Christmas week, but it wouldn't necessarily take an awful lot, and it's basically we've already come back halfway from here to of the distance it needs to come back. So if we see more weakness today or tomorrow, this could just head off and make the target, or we could continue trading sideways to slightly up until this move is sufficiently finished on equities. We will see how that goes. In terms of the hourly chart, no current positive divergence. In terms of the daily chart, we are back below the daily middle band, and we will see if we hold below it. Then chances are we're going to be hitting that flag target this week. All right, let's have a look at Solana, where that flag has not broken down yet, but it's not that far away. This is a nice looking flag channel. We've got another one of these on Ethereum, and hasn't broken down yet, but it's a nice flag, and chances are it is going to break down. Looking at it on the 15-minute chart, we've come pretty close to a test of the flag support. The target is only down at 121.54, but the question is, of course, we then get an inflection point where we can either rally with a potential double bottom, or continue down to the head and shoulder target here, which is a retest of this low here at 95.24. All right, let's have a look at Ethereum, where we've got a nice flag as well, and that flag hasn't broken down yet. Ethereum's been the strongest, but nonetheless, this is a nice bear flag channel. And we do have, of course, an open head and shoulder target below in the 2050 area, which is a significant distance below where we are now. So we've come down from a high last week at 34.55 to 30.32 over the weekend. Haven't made a lower low below this low yet, but I am wondering if we're going to do that in this week, break down from this flag and retest this low. We shall see how that goes, but I think in significant part that probably depends on what's going to happen on equities this week. Keeping an open mind there, but we do still have some negative divergence, and this is a very, very, very spiky sideways to up on equities, mainly because it's no longer NASDAQ that is leading the market. Tech is looking weak now, and that may actually continue. We shall see. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Cheers.